Hey friends, welcome back to another video on IMAT series. In this video, we are going to discuss how to attempt IMAT exam. That is very important because you need to know that before attempting IMAT exam. So after attempting past paper, you must know that IMAT has got 6 sections: biology, chemistry, physics, maths, and logical reasoning and general knowledge. Although they have changed the logical reasoning the general knowledge to reading skills section, but that is absolutely same as it is general knowledge. I have explained in tons of other videos, but now we are particularly going to discuss how to attempt IMAT exam. So you are sitting in exam hall and you are presented with IMAT paper. Now what you have to do, I would say, firstly start with most easiest section, because the most easiest section are going to motivate you more as you are attempting them right. This will secrete dopamine that you are doing right. Now you will become more energetic and stress will be relieved, serotonin and corticoids hormone will be lower. Although in exam you will be very stressful. Epinephrine, norepinephrine will be very high, so you have to do some things. I'm going to specifically make video on ADHD, how to manage this and how to become less stressed, because in my exam I was very stressful, and so I learned some effective things that how I can lower, and I got successful in that after attempting some other my school exams and my national exams. So that is very crucial. We will discuss on this later, but now start with most easiest section. This will help you to lower your stress. And now if your stress is lower, you will become more motivated, and your good hormones, let's say very good hormones, will secrete more, and you will find more motivation, you will have more energy, and you will perform very well in other sections of IMAT. So for me in IMAT exam, during my IMAT exam, the biology and chemistry section was easiest. Also the chemistry was the thing that I struggled during my preparation. I was struggling with chemistry most because there was some problems from stoichiometry. They are harder to do everywhere. You have got moles to moles conversion and moles to mass conversion, mass to mole conversion. This gets frustrated, and their calculations are in points, so that becomes a little bit hectic. You need to learn, you have to do actually lots of practice for that thing. If you watch my chemistry video, guide on chemistry, you will learn about what I have talked in that, what I'm talking about right now. Okay, now start with easiest section. Now you have started with, for example, let's say the physics thing was very easiest for you, although that is not easy. Physics and maths, I would say left them for last, because most of the students don't give proper time to maths and physics section, and because these are more calculation stuff there is, and the calculations are a little bit hard. So that's why I would say left them till the end, because in IMAT exam, make sure that time management is really crucial. If you do not manage time properly, examiner is not going to give you extra minute. No, it's not you have to actually transfer your answer on answer sheet in the given time. You are presented with question paper and answer sheet. On answer sheet there will be 5 options on which you have to draw your cross. There is actually, you have to draw the correct option, you have to draw the cross in box. There will be you will understand what I'm talking. There is sample paper, you can see it on my site. So now you have started with easiest section, and time management is very important in your mind. And now start the easy question. Biology is actually really easy if you have studied properly. You have done lots of reading and lots of question interpretation. You will know that, because that is more sort of theoretical. There is no calculation. You have to just read them and match the statements, what will be true, and just put it right. That's how. And biology has got more weightage in IMAT exam, so start with that. And if you did it properly, then that will help you motivate you, and you will land on other sections. Now in chemistry, I would say the most calculatory thing, left them for last. Don't do them, because they will take most of your time. And always remember, there is negative marking. I will make a separate video on this thing, that how many questions you need to attempt, and I will give you proper logic. With proper logical, I will draw on paper, if you attempt this question, everything will happen this way. That is not point of discussion today. Now how to attempt question, I have explained in a separate video. You have to cancel the options. just mark red lines, or you will be provided black pen. Actually they will give you black pen. Draw black lines on the options that you are going to minimize, because there are like 5 options for each question. You have to choose one option, right? Now if there is, let's say, a question with 5 statements, and you know that there is going to be like one option true, now what you have to do is like minimize the options. How? For example, there will be like options that have no link with that statement given. There will be like a very huge gap. You know that this is not right, just minimize that. Now if 5 options are given, it means that choosing the right one out of 5 is 20%. Every option has got 20% weightage but choosing right option. Now if you once become successful in eliminating one option, you have eliminated one option, it means that now the weightage has rise. It has went from 20% to 25%. You have left 4 options. Now you have to choose from 4 options. And now if you become successful in eliminating the third one, now you have got 33% weightage of choosing the right option. And now if you're successful in doing 3 options, eliminating 3 options, now 2 options are left and there is a chance of 50% choosing the right one. So this is how this technique can help you to choose the right option. Now for this specifically, I have explained with example from past papers. I think I have added 2 examples in this video. In this video, I have explained how you can attempt the question by eliminating the option. That technique is very successful. So go there and watch this video. I hope this video was helpful. So if you have enjoyed this, then like this video and subscribe to our channel would be wonderful. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Till bye bye.